Alerts flash, sirens shriek, warnings flood the screen. But who actually receives them? And who understands them well enough to act? We assume early warnings reach everyone. They don't. Access gaps, technical failures, and language barriers break the chain between signal and response. An alert sent is not always received. An alert received is not always understood. And an alert understood does not always trigger action. If alerts are meant to save lives, execution must be designed, not assumed. We need redundancy, multiple channels, SMS, radio, or community networks. Verify comprehension, not just delivery. Predefine roles before the siren sounds, because signals don't save lives, but coordinated response does. Follow the Decoding Risk series as we continue to break this down.